This YouTube channel is making a huge amount of money by simply creating avatar shorts using AI, and some of their popular shorts received 10 million plus views. Let's check their channel on Social Blade. They got more than 741,000 subscribers, and their estimated monthly earnings ranges from $1.1 thousand to $16.8 thousand, and their estimated yearly earnings ranges from $12.6 thousand to $201.8 thousand. You can also create these type of short videos simply with the help of AI in just few minutes. Hello, everyone! Welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm super excited to show you how to make AI short videos for free by using a few different tools that are really easy to use. If you want to earn money from YouTube, follow these steps carefully till the end. Without any more delay, let's jump right in. There are 4 sections of this video. Step 1. Generate an avatar. Go to Leonardo AI, click on Start using Leonardo. If you are new to website, enter first name and email, click on Count Me In. After login to Leonardo, click on Yes, I am whitelisted. You can see the interface and there are many featured models, then click on AI image generation. I will enter a prompt. A bald Chinese old monk in the dark room, his eyes and face lock on camera lens, rough shave. You can select any model you like. Firstly, I will select Dream Shaper 6. Click on Generate. It will take some time. Good. There are your prompt result. After that, I will choose Dream Shaper 7 and click on Generate. After some time, here are the result. You can choose which you like. Today, I will choose this one. You can also upscale image by clicking on this button. When image is ready, click on Download button. Step 2. Generate a script using Chatgpt. You need a script to develop avatar videos. So if you have your own script that you have written by yourself or you want to create using Chatgpt, I will give the instruction of write 10 quotes of Abraham Lincoln. Click on Enter button. In few seconds, result has been created. Copy the result. Open new doc file and save it as doc file. Step 3. Generate a voice. To create voiceover for the video, there are many AI tools from which you can create the voiceovers. But for this video, I will use one voice over a tool. To create the voiceover, I will use Chatgpt. Click Get Started. Click on Text to Speech Audio. Then I will click on Language. I will choose American English. You can choose which suits your avatar. Then I will click on Voices. Here you can find the variety of voices. You can check by yourself. I will choose Tom. Now go to Doc File, copy the first line. Come to Chatgpt, paste here. Click on Create Audio. After a few seconds, your audio is ready. Download it. It is building our audio. You have to put all lines one by one to create the voice over. Step 4. Generate video. Go to Hagen if you are new to website. Click Try for free. Sign up from your email. After login, you can see the interface. Click Upload Talking Photo, select the photo, upload it. Click on Edit Avatar. You can see View Mode. There are 3 modes: Original, Square, Circle. Select Original, click Save as New. Click Talking Photo. There are two options. Select which suits you. I will go for Portrait. Then click Audio Script and upload audio file. Adjust the avatar. Click on Submit. It will take some. When video is ready, click on it. Click Download Original Video. When video is downloaded, go to 123 Apps website. Click Remove Logo from Video. Select the area you want to remove from video. Click Save button. After a few seconds, your video is ready. Click Save to download it. Excellent. Your video is ready. Let's watch it together.
Folks are usually about as happy as they make their minds up to be.
Character is like a tree and reputation like a shadow. The shadow is what we think of it. The tree is the real thing.
I am a firm believer in the people. If given the truth, they can be depended upon to meet any national crisis. The great point is to bring them the real facts.
I would love to hear about your experience of creating avatar video with the help of AI. Share your results in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share to support me. See you in the next artificial intelligence tutorial video. Bye.